114 on 80. So, you need a much needed vacation from retirement. It's tough.
Yes, very tough.
Heading to the Cape. Hope to do some digging in the sand. So I have to check out YouTube channel for digging, which is just J-U-S-T, digging, D-I-G-G-I-N, IT. Alrighty. Keep watching, because we don't know what we're doing next. Oh yeah, forget to mention, today is September 8th. It's a Friday. And as you can see, we got a little fog. Hasn't burnt off yet. Is it not big? Oh, and we're in red, if you haven't noticed that too. We're not on the bike.
Couldn't keep the bike this time.
It's probably, we should be arriving. Right now it's 7:03 a.m. We left over an hour and a half ago.
No, we left about an hour ago.
I thought you said it was 6,
No.
quarter of 6 we left.
No, it's an hour. If that would be the case, it'd be an hour and 15 minutes, honey.
Okay.
It was like 6:53.
Okay.
I mean 5:53.
Whatever.
Okay.
Now that we get that straightened out. Okay. Anyways, we, without stopping, we should be arriving after 3. According to the Waze, it says 3:10, but we know that lies because we're going to hit a lot of traffic.
And the dog.
And we have the dog. Hi, Daisy. Let's see. Beep. Nope. I don't know if I can turn this around. Nope. Oh, I can't turn this. It's all right.
Trust us, we have the dog.
Woof, woof. Hi, Daisy. Okay. Now if I can shut this off. I didn't bring the remote. It's getting brighter out. Wow. Ooh. Good view on the horizon coming down the mountainside. Looking cool. I don't think I can zoom in on this anyways. Nope. Yeah, there's the mountains.
Just keeps getting prettier and prettier all the time.
When it gets a little closer, start it again. Okay, look it over there. It's a pretty picture. Oh, here's my baby cakes. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Sound asleep.
Good. Went into a fog bank.
Ooh, look at the fog. Boop. As in the old Batman movies. Boop. A little fog on the side. Boop.
Yeah. A lot of fog on the side.
Wow.
We're in the valley.
Of the giant yo-oh-oh. Okay, until our next one, keep watching. We still got 508 miles to go. But it is getting brighter. The sun, oop, never mind. Maybe over here. Nope.
Above the mountain.
I had the sun earlier poking through, but look at the fog bank. Oops. Yeah. The sun poked through for a little bit, not anymore. That's neat looking. Get them trees out of my way. Don't they know I'm trying to take a video?
Sun.
I see the sun. Oh, look at the sun. Ah! Oh, God. Wow.
Right? That looks pretty.
Oh, that's bright.
Good Lord.
The fog is burning off, and it's going to be a warm one, I can tell.
That over there.
Yeah.
That's over
Okay, let's go over here. Whoops. Bouncy, bouncy. Very pretty. Whoop. Boy, is that sun bright. Cool. Look at all rock. I know, it's only rocks, but neat coming through this pass, or what you want to call it. I don't know.
Yes.
Where they cut through the stone. This is mile marker 181.2. $479 miles to go.
Reminders, huh? Don't need them.
You don't need reminders?
No.
That's all right. I'll take a nap while you drive. That'll be fine.
Okay. Start your vacation early, honey.
I'm
So
starting my
retirement's
vacation.
killing you.
I gotta rest so I can go onto the beach and dig. There's some metal detecting. Water Gap. Delaware Water Gap.
Up in Delaware Scenic Recreation River.
Yep, yep. Getting close.
Yeah.
Yoo-hoo! Where are you? I think I see the sign. I see it. I love New York. And welcome to New York.
10:55 a.m.
10:55 a.m. We have 308 miles to go to Brewster, Massachusetts. So on Cape Cod. Get some saltwater fun. And we have Daisy over here. Shark bait. Oh. Sorry about that, Daisy.
No, bite. Coming in for
It's coming in for a landing now. It's Florida's coming down.
There it is.
Landing on top of that building. No. Okay. Here's where we are. It's 11:33. We have 4 hours and 33 minutes to go. 273 miles. Woo-wee. And we got a beautiful mountain range on the horizon. Whoops, bumpy bump. Heading over the bridges. Dee. Speed limit, 900 miles an hour. Strictly enforced. The Hamilton Fish. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Woo!
Oh, look at that Danbury. Oh boy, here we go, another backup.
84 East. Alrighty. We made it by this bridge. Next. Welcome to Connecticut. Woo! Okay, time check. What do we got? 12:04. 238 miles to go, and we should be arriving at 4:00. I mean, we should be. We should be 4 hours to go. Well, we just crossed the Rhode Island line. We're on 165 East, Rhode Island. Woo! One more state to go. We have 122 miles to go, and that comes somewhere around 2 hours and 13 minutes.
We're getting there.
Slow but sure. We have to get gas for Red, so Red has a full belly, and my baby cakes needed a Dunkin' Donuts coffee.
Or just a coffee.
Yeah, she needed a coffee, but there was a Dunkin' Donuts, so we grabbed it. She was going through caffeine withdrawals. She was starting to shake. Oh, that was because she was going over the rumble strips. That's what it was. Alrighty, we'll let you know when we hit Mass. Well, I forgot to mention when we came into Rhode Island, it was 2:25. And now we're coming into Massachusetts. Welcome to Massachusetts.
Sorry.
Okay. And the time is 3:06. We have 87 miles to Brewster. And it's still an hour and 35 minutes. So we'll catch you when we get closer. Stay tuned. Well, we're entering Fall River, Mass. This is the Braga Bridge.
Can you tell?
Can you tell? Okay. Actually, there's a lighthouse there. You can stay in that lighthouse overnight. They bring you out in a boat, and you can stay there, and they'll pick you up in the morning.
For a pretty penny, of course.
Yeah. Okay, and here's the bridge. The Braga Bridge. It used to be green, but they painted it this nice blue, which I think it's a lot better.
Yeah.
Entering Fall River. All right. Traffic's not too bad, knock on wood. Clock, 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 clock. Okay. And if you take that exit right there, you can go to Patty's Pierogies.
Shout out to Patty's Pierogies.
We used to go there and get the pierogies and Grumpkies. They were pretty good. Sit down, have a nice meal, and the kielbasa. Okay, off we go. We got
27 miles.
27 miles for our next exit, which is 25 east. But it's 75 miles to Brewster Green. For an hour and 24 minutes, if all goes well. It's 3:17 right now. Have a good one. We're coming into New Bedford. This is the whaling city. We got the beautiful harbor. It was one of the major whaling cities, ports in the world. And actually there's some big towers there. So you can see some cranes with some white things. That's a staging area for the windmills, offshore windmills. And Kyla Seafood, great place for seafood. Now we're coming into Fairhaven. And on this side, down that river about a mile, that's where I worked for 45 years. Hi, babe. Now we're coming into Fairhaven. And, yep.
That's about a wrap.
That's about it. Until the next one. We'll catch you when we're heading over to the Bourne Bridge. That's in, I don't know how many miles. I don't know, maybe 20 miles. Oh, my voice is starting to go. Okay. Must be this great air up here.
Okay all the time.
That was the first time I said it.
Oh, God, no.
Oh, God, no. Oh, okay. Oh, man. I'm getting beat up over here. Stay tuned. Welcome to Cape Cod. We're at the Bourne Bridge, waiting to get on, and it's packed. But it's not much of a backup. I mean, we've seen the backup on this bridge goes back 5-7 miles. So this is nothing.
School bus.
Okay, here we are going over the bridge. Let's try it again. Okay, here we are going over the Bourne Bridge. Let's see. We'll get the dates on top of the bridge here when it gets closer.
1955.
1953, I think. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, 53 to 55.
Yeah. And here's the Cape Cod Canal. And over there in the
1933 and 1935.
1933, 35. The bridge was built. Okay. I don't know if you can see it through the railing, but there's the train bridge. That gets lowered so the trains can cross the canal. Like that gets lowered. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to find the spot. You know, this is light traffic for the Cape.
Yeah.
That's why when we lived in Mass, we never came to the Cape in the summertime, because this is a disaster.
Oh, we did.
And if we go
1,000 feet.
that way...
At the roundabout, take the third exit on Sandwich Road Connector.
Oh, I probably didn't see it. It was the Sagamore Bridge. Okay. Nope, I okayed. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see it. This is the top of the Sagamore Bridge. Excuse me. All right. There's only two ways
Keep right to US 6 East, Mid-Cape Connector.
to go over the canal here. Well, three ways. The train, which is not, I don't think it's a passenger car train, but then the two bridges. The only other way is by boat.
In a quarter of a mile.